Imagine an AI that actually remembers every file you feed it, organizes them without a single tag, and never makes up a fact. That is the promise of a digital second brain. Thanks to a new integration between Google's NotebookLM and Gemini, setting up a system with these exact capabilities takes minutes. This diagram illustrates a major flaw in standard AI models when handling research. If you upload your private documents into a normal chat, the AI throws those files into a blender with its entire training data and the open web. You ask a question, and it pours you a smoothie, a mix of your facts and random internet guesses. NotebookLM operates differently. It uses a closed-loop architecture. It only looks at what you upload. It refuses to pull from outside data, which guarantees the answers you get are entirely grounded in your own material. Mastering this isolated architecture converts the model into a verified knowledge worker that only references your specific inputs. Step 1 is capture. We begin by creating a new, uniquely named notebook inside NotebookLM. To keep your data strictly organized, follow the para method, specifically the projects pillar. You establish notebooks for active projects with clear boundaries, like Q3 marketing campaign, rather than creating a massive generic dumping ground for every PDF you download. Into this project workspace, you can ingest a huge variety of sources. You can upload PDF reports, drop in YouTube URLs to grab transcripts, and sync directly with your Google Docs. NotebookLM processes and indexes all these files at once. Within seconds, it becomes a dedicated subject matter expert, constrained entirely by the parameters of your project. There is a common trap here. If you upload random, unrelated sources into the same project, you immediately break the AI's contextual focus. Fiercely guarding what enters your notebook creates a high-signal database, ensuring every answer is drawn from the facts you've already verified. Now that the database is built, we move to step 2, Distill. Here, you query your notebook to uncover hidden patterns or spot gaps across your different sources. When NotebookLM answers, it relies on the inline citation. Every claim is backed by a numerical link pointing directly to your uploaded text. Click a number, and the system instantly jumps to the original paragraph to verify the accuracy in seconds. Keep in mind, the chat interface in NotebookLM is ephemeral. If you refresh the page, your conversation disappears. To prevent data loss, you must actively click the Save to Note pin icon on any useful answer. Pinning these insights preserves them. It takes raw, messy research and distills it into verified, reusable building blocks for the final phase. With our insights locked in, we reach Step 3, Express. This is where we bridge our isolated memory into a creative generation engine. NotebookLM is excellent for strict analysis, but it has limits. It cannot browse the live web for today's news, and it isn't designed to generate highly formatted creative copy. To solve this, open the main Gemini app, click the attachment icon, and directly import your NotebookLM project. Once connected, Gemini treats your attached notebook as its primary grounding source for every response. This flowchart demonstrates how Gemini takes the facts from your vault and merges them with live web access. This allows it to fill in specific gaps without overwriting your core data. You can now run a prompt like this. Draft a project proposal based strictly on the facts in the attached notebook, but incorporate current 2026 market trends from the web to structure the pitch. This setup enables rapid generation that remains anchored to your private, cited facts. Because your sources are loaded and verified, you can now instruct Gemini to rapidly output a YouTube script, a 5-tweet thread, and a LinkedIn post, all in one motion. Your final step is the quality check. Review the generated assets to ensure the tone matches your brand and the details still align with your original constraints. This system scales to multiple advanced applications. For instance, you can create a dedicated notebook for competitor intelligence, uploading rival press releases and product specs to instantly track their strategy. Or you can build an evergreen vault. This holds research for multi-month projects, guaranteeing you never lose momentum when you return to a complex topic. Finally, you can parse audience insights by dumping customer feedback surveys into a notebook, letting the AI surface their most urgent pain points. In Part 2, we cover the exact prompt setups required to automate these specific workflows. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Building a second brain is about constructing a cognitive exoskeleton. It automates the maintenance of your research so you can focus on the actual thinking.